You purchased your guitar. Now you need a few other things to have in your guitar case as you progress learning guitar. In this video, I'm going to show you the other things that you're going to need in your guitar case as you go along with your online guitar lessons with me. My name's Shelley Dubois. I am a singer, songwriter, recording artist, performer, and I've been doing this for over 50 years. And throughout those years, I've been teaching guitar and voice as well. So the other things that you're going to need in your guitar case while you are learning online guitar lessons is a few things. Starting off is with a pick. You'll need a pick to strum your guitar and strum the strings. So there's many different kinds of picks. There are funky ones and colorful ones and just little tiny black ones, and then there's just these plain old gray ones. The difference is some of them, there's different gauges. So the smaller the number, the softer the pick. And then it's got some flexibility. The higher the number is, then the harder the pick. So over time, you're going to come to know what you like, what kind of pick you like to strum with. Some like to have something with flexibility like I do. I like a Dunlop nylon 0.6 gauge pick. I've always really liked that. I strum hard, but it doesn't like really hit the strings too hard and have that string sound. And what I mean by that is you'll get to know over the years, over time, what it sounds like when a pick is going across the strings and the sound that you like to your ear. So either just buy a 0.6 to begin with, or buy some different ones. Have some fun with it. They're not very expensive, and have some picks in your case that you can choose from. Another thing is strings. You're going to need strings because sometimes you'll break a string or strings get old. And in another video, I will be showing you how to change your strings. I firmly believe that if you're going to be playing an instrument, you need to know about your instrument, and you also need to know how to change strings. So I got just a few here because this is my favorite. This is what I use. I use Martin Phosphor Bronze on my guitar, but there's many different brands, and so there's going to be that's another thing over time that you're going to try out different strings. And different strings sound different on different guitars. So you'll learn that over time. And once again, your ear will get to know what you like. Everybody has a preference of what they like. So, and what goes hand in hand when a string breaks and you need to change strings is this little gizmo right here. It's really inexpensive. I think the last one I bought was $1.99. It's called a string winder, and they got them in like big plastic jugs at the music store. And what this does is saves you from winding up your strings on your tuning heads and tuning pegs. So this goes over the tuning peg and you wind it, and it goes so much faster. And in a future video, I will be showing you how to use this and how to change your strings. Another great thing to have is called a capo. And this squeezes like this and opens up, and you slide it over the top of your guitar and you release it. And then what it does is makes your strings sound higher. Now what I'm suggesting to get one now is I'm probably going to be doing some videos where we're going to be putting the capo up a little bit higher, maybe the 3rd fret on your guitar. Some people have smaller hands, really delicate fingers, and they have a hard time because it's hurting their fingers so bad. So what I do for little ones and older people that are older, and you can put this on the 3rd fret, and it squeezes the strings closer to the fretboard, and it helps ease the pain on the fingers as you're building up your calluses. So capo, that's about $25, $30 in Canada. Another thing you will need is a guitar tuner. There are many different types of tuners that you can clip onto the headstock of your guitar. And I'm going to be doing a video about all the parts of the guitar as I'm talking about headstock and tuning pegs. And you'll see that in this video right here that I've done to show the parts of the guitar, so you have a better understanding. So tuners, your guitar must be in tune. You have to learn to put your guitar in tune so that you know what it sounds like properly, so that it's when you strum it, it's going to sound right. It's not going to be god-awful. So there's many different ones that you can clip on to the headstock of your guitar. And there's some like even built in on a capo. This is my husband's. He's a gadget nut, so he, things like that. So if you're a gadget nut, get something like that. There's also where there's apps. And I will throw a clip in here and show you an app that I like to use called Guitar Tuna, because it shows the tuning pegs and it shows you when your each string is in tune. So I will be doing a video about that also, tuning the guitar, because that's a whole video on its own. So those are the few things that it would be great to have, and along with in your guitar case. That's something else that you'll consider when you are purchasing a guitar, is a guitar case, either a hard shell or just a bag, depending on the expense of it, of course, and what works for you. And then there's compartments that you can put all these in. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe and share if you feel this is helpful to anybody else that's learning how to play the guitar.